Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the preview or only way branch installed. This prevents conflicts. Once confirmed, back up your saved data folder or create a cloud snapshot so you can revert if needed. Then open the game launcher, choose the preview or only way build, and hit play to load the preview client. As you load, watch for initial prompts about experimental features. Accept only the ones you understand, so you don't enable risky changes unintentionally. Once in the preview client, open Settings and toggle Preview Mode or Experimental Features. This unlocks new content and tools. Next, use the Dev Console or designated hotkeys to spawn assets and test mechanics in a controlled area, prefer an empty map or local sandbox. Make incremental changes and observe behavior. You want to isolate cause and effect. Also record session details, timestamps, active mods, and any console output, because that trace is essential. To finish, decide whether to revert or keep changes. Restore your saved backup if instability occurred, or merge tested tweaks into your main profile when stable. Then validate by playing 10 to 20 minutes in normal mode to confirm no regressions. If something breaks, use the key troubleshooting tip. Check the session logs and disable any non-essential mods before repeating the test. Often a mod conflict is the culprit. If needed, reproduce the bug with a minimal setup and note exact steps for fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.